Mr. Speaker, thanks for allowing me to address this honorable house. So often we curse our politicians, calling them thieves and criminals. At the same time, Mr. Speaker, our politicians have done our country some good, and thanking them we should.
Let's give thanks. Let's give thanks.
Thanks for the educational system that can produce lawyers, doctors and teachers.
Let's give thanks.
Thanks for the agricultural sector, cause we can feed ourselves. No starvation on the land. Thanks for the NHT, the NIS and the JCDC. Thanks for the sports program that produces world and Olympic champions.
Let's give thanks.
Thanks for the health sector that gives free health care and first world mortality rates.
Thanks. Let's give thanks.
Thanks for telecommunications, for we can keep in touch with the world. Thanks for the tourism sector, where Jamaica is a world leader. Thanks for the freedom of the press, our views we can express.
Let's give thanks.
Thanks for free and fair election, one man, one vote. Thanks for the freedom to worship our God.
Let's give thanks.
Thanks too for those systems that are not so proper but can be fixed in the future, like national security, utility, transport, justice, road and water. Thanks, Mr. Speaker, for allowing me to address this honorable house. May God bless our politicians.
Let's give thanks.